Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy and delicious papaya shake. This one is going to be a papaya and flaxseed shake. Really easy to make, super delicious and very healthy. If you're feeling bloated or heavy after the holidays, this one is going to help you cleanse your stomach in a very natural way. So I hope you can give it a try. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. So like I said in the intro, there is only 3 ingredients in this shake, and the main ingredient is papaya, and we need 1 cup of papaya cut in chunks. So we're going to cut the papaya in small chunks, and then we're going to add them into the blender. Then we also need 2 oranges, and you can either use the whole orange or just the orange juice. It's up to you, whatever you prefer is fine. I'm going to be using the whole thing, the whole orange. So I'm just going to peel off the orange, I'm going to remove the skin, and then I'm going to cut the orange in chunks, and then I'm going to place the orange chunks into the blender together with the papaya. So after you add in the orange into the blender, now we will also add in the flax seeds, and I'm using whole flax seeds, but you can use ground if you want to. And then after that, we're going to add a little bit of water, and you can add as much water as you need to give it the consistency and the texture that you like. And now we're going to blend this on high speed until everything is well blended. And once it's done, that's about it. Now you can drink it. It's so delicious and so good for you and your digestive system. I really recommend it. It will help you clean your stomach, and it will keep you full for a longer time, so you won't have to eat between meals. I really recommend it. You can have it, you can drink it 2 or 3 times a week, and it will do wonders for your stomach. I really recommend it. Enjoy. To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.